Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Bob's Red Mill, and today I'm going to show you how to wake up to perfection by learning how to make some amazingly delicious overnight steel-cut oats. The first thing we need to do is soak our oats, and I'll be using Bob's Red Mill steel-cut oats, which are award-winning, meaty, tender, and absolutely delicious in flavor. So go ahead and add them to a bowl. We're next going to pour in some unsweetened almond milk. You can use things like regular milk or even coconut milk. To add a little flavor, I'm going to add in some vanilla extract, and for some sweetness, honey. You can use things like maple, coconut sugar, or regular sugar. We're going to whisk all of the ingredients together to make sure the flavors combine to perfection. We're going to put a lid on it and add it to the refrigerator for overnight or for at least 6 hours. Once the oats are soaked up, we're going to go ahead and give it a quick stir just to move some things around, and you'll see the oats have kind of swollen up a little bit. They've taken on some of that almond milk. They're nice and tender now and ready to be consumed. I'm going to make two different styles of oats. So for the first one, we're going to go ahead and add it along with the almond milk to a little jar. I'm going to top off with some fresh berries. You can absolutely use things like strawberries, golden berries, or even peaches, whatever you'd like. This whole part is completely up to you. I've got blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. I'm going to top off with some Bob's Red Mill unsweetened coconut flakes for a little flavor. Last but not least, a little bit more honey just for some sweetness. I love the way honey goes with berries and coconut. Now for the next oats, we're going to add in some strawberries and banana slices. I'm simply going to top off with a little almond butter just for some more protein and some wonderful flavors that go great with strawberries and bananas. And for even more almond flavor, we'll add on some sliced almonds. You can use whole almonds as well. And last but not least, some Bob's Red Mill chia seeds loaded with fiber and a nice little flavor addition. And there you have it, two incredibly simple recipes for overnight steel-cut oats using Bob's Red Mill oats. The things I love about this recipe is I can wake up and I can eat. No need to cook anything, no need to even think about what to make. It's already done. It's incredibly nutritious. Oats are one of those things that are so hearty, get you going in the right direction. So last but not least, of course, I always want to try all of my food to make sure it's delicious. I may have overloaded with a little bit of berries just to make it look extra pretty, but get down in there and try those oats, and you'll see just how delicious your breakfast could be using Bob's Red Mill steel-cut oats.